student, myself Dr. Sangeeta Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, डूंगर कॉलेज बीकानेर। आज हम MSc प्रीवियस की यूनिट 3 सरफेस केमिस्ट्री में सरफेस एक्टिव एजेंट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सब्सटेंस दैट drastically lower the surface tension of water even at a low concentration are called surface active agent or surfactant. Surfactant get preferentially absorbed at the air, water, oil, water and solid water interface, constituting an oriented monolayer where in the hydrophilic point towards the water phase and the hydrocarbon chain points towards the air or oil phase. Surface active agents are strongly positively absorbed at the air-water interface. Classification of surfactant, mainly 3 types. Cationic type, the substance which dissociate in water to give positively charged ion, for example cetyl trimethyl ammonium chloride, cetyl pyridinium chloride, octadecyl ammonium chloride. The anionic surfactant, they are soda salt of fatty acids such as sodium palmate, sodium stearate, sodium olate. The salt of sulfonic acid of high molar mass and general formula CnH2n plus 1 SO3m alkyl sulfonate and CnH2n C6H4 SO3m alkyl aryl sulfonate. Where M is univalent cation, also act as a anionic surfactant. Non-ionic surfactant, substance whose molecules cannot undergo dissociation. Alcohol having higher molar mass react with several molecules of ethyl oxide, a non-ionic surface active agent obtained. For example, triton X100. The tail is quite long and slightly hydrophilic due to the interaction between the ether oxygen and water molecule. Is coiled in solution and binds water due to the entropy effect. The hydrophilic nature of hydroxyethylated surfactant are controlled during their synthesis by changing the number of carbon atom in hydrophobic chain or number of hydroxyethylene group. They are soluble in hard water. Hydrophobic surface will become hydrophilic when non-ionic surfactant are adsorbed from aqueous solution. The next is micellization. The micelles or ionic micelles are defined by McBain are the cluster or aggregates formed in the solution by colloidal electrolyte. The micelles may contain 100 or more ions clumped together with a considerable number of water molecules. Micelles may be defined to be aggregates of long chain diphilic surfactant molecules or ion formed spontaneously in their solution at a definite concentration depend upon the nature of polar group and especially on the length of molecule chain. Micelles are characterized by aggregation number and micellar mass, sum of molar mass of aggregated molecule. Micellization is mostly phenomena of micelles formation occur from the large ion of molecules in solution with exception. Micellization form natural or non-ionic molecules polyethylene oxide. Usually such molecules have lyophilic group and a lyophobic group. A typical example is soap, RCOONA, having 2 parts. First part, the long hydrocarbon part, alkyl group, which is lyophobic. It try to keep away from the solvent called tail. Second part, the COONA part, is ionizable and lyophilic. It tends to go into the water, resulting into sodium and COO minus ion called head. RCOO negative group will orient itself in a way as to make COO negative and projecting outward in contact with solvent, and alkyl tend to away from the solvent. As concentration of soap solution increase, RCONA come closer. The alkyl part approach each other because they do not carry any charge, so they do not repel each other. These parts then form a cluster or aggregate called micelles. The micelles is supposed to be spherical. The alkyl and are in the inner, and the CO minus group are projecting outside in the contact with solvent. The micelle is thus a colloidal particles with charge on the surface, to which a positively charged sodium ion would be attached, forming a double layer. Micellization occur when a particular concentration is reached at a given temperature.